Verifying your account on Crypto.com is an essential step to access all features and services. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the app. Before changing your settings, use the ishraq.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Provide personal information. After creating your account, you will need to enter your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure the information matches your official identification documents. Step 3. Upload identification documents. Next, you will be prompted to upload identification documents. This typically includes a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a proof of address document, like a utility bill or bank statement. Step 4. Complete facial verification. Once your documents are uploaded, you will need to complete a facial verification process. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a selfie or record a short video to confirm your identity. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting all required information and documents, wait for the Crypto.com team to review your application. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days. You will receive a notification once your account is verified. Once your account is verified, you can start using all the features on Crypto.com. Enjoy your experience and stay safe while trading.